Nu.
Yes. Hello and welcome to News Right Away. My name is Peter Nguyen, and today we have an interview with the man who always horny, Walid Bokpearl. Over to you, Willy.
Yes, my name is Willy Sleep Valley, and I am here with the king of the snow, Walid.
Yes, hello, my name is Walid Bokpearl. Do you all want to come home with me in the spec?
No, thanks. So what are you doing now that you aren't out in the country making ladies?
I mean, it's totally disappointing. I never get late. No one wants me. All the ladies are escaping from me. I want to give you all a cum shot.
Okay. Yes, and now we are going to the sport.
Yes, and I'm going out to make some more ladies. Definitely.
In the game Oklahoma Thunder versus Los Angeles Clippers, Serge Ibaka hit Blake Griffin in the nuts. Now we play in slow motion. Oof! It's hurt him really much. And now Walid has Blake Griffin.
I hear you have hidden the pig under the match. Are you dig a pig hure nu?
What? My dick?
Are you dig hure? Hard hure?
Hard? No. It hurt very much. I can't really explain it. It was just very much pain.
I understand you. When I take the 18 holes in the country, no, city. If my pig er så hure, yes.
Oh, sorry, man.
Oh, fuck you! Oh.